guys, this is my first episode of Calming by Yanni, and today I would like to explain what my channel is all about. So my channel is all about just me doing ASMRs and talking very quietly, and also playing good calming music so your mind and body can rest as it needs to be. I know a lot of people are very stressed and overworked during the end of the day, and I'll be glad if I could just help a percent of the people that would ever watch my videos. So, as you know, my name is Yanni, and I want to do ASMR because when I listen to ASMR, I feel like it calms me down, and so I feel like doing it will help other people. So I want to try it and see how it goes. I'll try to be as consistent as I possibly can. So, welcome to the first episode of Calming by Yanni. The first thing we want to talk about is how did I come up with the name. So I just was thinking about it, and I felt like Calming by Yanni was the best thing to do. So I did it, and I feel like it's a decent name, and so I'm gonna stick with it. We're gonna just stick with this and see how it goes. But I hope you enjoyed the video, and yeah, I hope you guys have a great night, great evening, great morning while you listen to my video. And yeah, so sleep. I want you to take a deep breath in and out. Nice, very good, very good. I need 2 more of those in. Hold it and out. One more in. And out. Okay. I want you, if you're laying down on your bed, if you're sleeping, if you're about to sleep, if you just woke up in the morning, I hope you have a great day. Or if you're about to go to bed, I hope you have a great night's sleep. And I hope tomorrow is great. I hope tomorrow has great opportunities for you. I hope tomorrow becomes the best day out of the week. And if it's the morning, I hope you have a great day also. I love everybody, and I hope everyone has a great day. So for my people that are that just woke up, or the morning people, I want you guys to lay down for a second and just count to 10 with me. And I want you to just clear your mind before starting your day and talking about your intentions, the intentions that you want for the day, something that you want to go for the day, your manifestation for the day. And I'll start the countdown. 10. Think about everything that you want and need. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5. Think about stuff that you want to go in your life. 4, 3, 2, 1. Great job. So I know you guys thought about something, and so right now I want you guys to think about everything that you thought about and pick one specific thing and really focus on that. for the day, either for the night or for the day. And I want you to just think, and I'll give you a few seconds to think, right? Come on. I know you can do it. I know you might have a stressful day or a stressful day coming ahead of you, but it's okay. You're okay. I'm so proud of you for going through this day and really making an effort to come to this video. I'm so proud of you of everything you've accomplished in your life. Okay, now I want you to just take a deep breath with me. Ready? I want you to hold it for me. And I want you to exhale now. Nice, nice. Very good, very good. Now I want you to just close your eyes and put your head in the pillow. And I want you to just imagine every single muscle in your body just relaxing. Just imagine your body being all tensed up and then finally releasing all that fatigue, all that stress, all that muscle aches, all those sores just going away. I want you to imagine your body sinking into the floor as you close your eyes, and the more you close your eyes, the more deep sleep you're getting into. I want you to just imagine every single little body part in your body just deepening into the bed as the bed is giving you a big old hug. And while the bed is giving you a big old hug, just imagine of every single little thing in the bed just absorbing you, ready for a good amount of sleep. As you're sleeping down, I want you to imagine your favorite scenery. It could be a rainforest, it could be a beach, it could be anything. But I want you to imagine something so beautiful, something so peaceful that you'll enjoy. Yes, perfect choice. Now I want you to just take another deep breath with me. In and out. Every deep breath you take, I want it to become slower and more deeper into the body. In and out. I want you to think of everything throughout the day. And maybe you had a bad day. It's okay to have a bad day. It's okay to mess up. It's okay to have bad flunks and all that. I want you to take one good thing from your day and I want you to reflect on it, because I don't want you dwelling on something that happened that you didn't like. I want you dwelling on something that you did good on. I want you to imagine. I want you to imagine. Imagine every single little peaceful thing all into one spot.